Hi, Mr. X with glossary term natural logarithm. The natural logarithm has a base of e. And what is e? Well, it's this number, and that's approximate. It's easy to remember e. Oh, and by the way, you know that all exponentials go through this point, 0, 1. Whether it's e to the x, or 2 to the x, or 4 to the x, we'll go ahead and say y equals e to the x. That's our exponential. Here's our x equals y line. That's that line right there. X equals y. Goes to the origin, 0.11, 22, 33, negative 57, negative 57. X equals y. Then our logs go through this point, because this is the inverse function. All logs go through this point. All exponentials go through this point. All logs go through this point. Now, let's remember e. We're going to start with e equals 2.7. There you go. Just remember that, 2.7. Now, what year was Andrew Jackson elected President of the United States? Well, it was 1828. But you know, we're doing math here. We're not history majors, and so we're not absolutely sure, so we're going to write it twice, 1828. Are you sure he was elected in 1828? I think it was 1828, but I'm not sure. Well, actually, I am sure, but we're going to go with it. So now we have 2.7 and 1828 twice. And then we have a special triangle, 45, 90, 45. That's a special triangle in terms of the degrees of an isosceles right triangle. So there it is. That's how you can remember e. Start with 2.7. You have to know that. You just have to know this part. You need to know that. Know it cold. And what follows the 2.7? Well, 1828, 1828, 45, 90, 45.
Mr. X, Mentor of Mathematics at MrXmath.com.